Before you begin, make sure to read through all the instructions and to set out all of your required tools and components. The swivel casters go on the front of the base, and the rigid casters go on the back of the base. Use 4 small 1/2-inch bolts and 4 small hex nuts to secure the casters to the base. Note that the bolts go upside down on the caster side and the nuts are at the top. Do not over tighten. Once you have the swivel casters attached to the base, we're going to attach the rigid casters. Once again, notice that the bolts will come in through the bottom of the base and the hex nuts will go on top. Now find your Harris leaf or NAF logo, your footer panel, and your handle assembly. You'll want to put all spacer tubes onto the welded studs and then insert your leaf through the footer panel and the handle assembly. And then we'll attach those using hex nuts. Now you'll want to take your handle assembly and attach it to the swivel end of the base. Secure using 4 1/2-inch bolts and 4 hex nuts. With the logo handle now attached to the base, we're going to attach the side panels to the corresponding long edges of the base. Okay, next find your back frame. We're going to attach the back frame to the side panels. Make sure that the plates on the header are offset to the back of the display. Attach the back frame to the side panels using 4 2¼ inch bolts and 4 hex nuts. Once your back frame is attached, you want to secure the side panels to the handle using 2 1¼ inch bolts. And finally, you want to attach the header sign to the back frame by threading 2 threaded studs into the puck nuts and then secure with hex nuts from the back. And there you have it, folks, your brand new Harris Traveler or NAF motion display.